Hello and welcome to the Spin Storm Challenge. Now, before we begin, Iron Man and Spider-Man, you won't fit on the track, so goodbye.
What? Oh, come on, let's go. We usually fit.
So in the first round, 3 cars will drive around the track at the same time. The first one to fall off is out, and the other 2 go through.
Get into your vehicles!
Oh, and to try and knock you off, we have 2 special guests. They must have arrived because the music has changed. It's Darth Vader and the Stormtrooper.
Give yourself to the dark side.
Okay, let's begin. It's Star-Lord, Aquaman and Batman up first. Off they go. Oh no, Aquaman has fallen off. So he's out and the other 2 go through. It's Rex, Captain America and the Flash now. They're all going well, so here comes Lord Vader. Wow, instant impact! Judges, who's out?
Vader hit Captain America, who then got in the way of the others. So Captain America is out, and Rex and the Flash are through.
Now it's Black Widow, Ultron and Wonder Woman. They're all going well, so here comes the Stormtrooper. He hasn't hit anyone. Oh, but he may have caused Wonder Woman to fall off. So Ultron and Black Widow are through. And finally, it's the Joker, Wolverine and Superman. They're off. Oh, Superman fell. So he's out and Wolverine and the Joker are through. Even though the Joker eventually fell off as well.
So these guys all made it through that round. Now, only 2 cars will race around at a time. Plus Darth Vader and a Stormtrooper, of course.
So, it's Ultron versus Rex. They're off. Here comes Vader and the Stormtrooper. Ooh, Vader hits Rex off. So Rex is out and Ultron's through. Black Widow versus Star-Lord. Stormtrooper and Vader are getting ready. Vader's done it again. He hit Star-Lord off. So Black Widow's through. The Joker versus the Flash. Vader and the Stormtrooper are in there too. Oh, there goes the Joker. He's out and the Flash is through. Wolverine versus Batman. They're off. Oh wait, Wolverine has fallen off already. No need for Vader that time, so he's out and Batman's through. So these are our semi-finalists, who will make it into the final. Black Widow versus Ultron. Stormtrooper incoming! Ooh, he got someone. It's Black Widow, so she's out and Ultron's through. And it's Batman versus the Flash. Here they come. Oh, what happened there? Vader's fallen out, but so has Batman. So the Flash is into the final. So this is it, the final, between Ultron and the Flash. Who will win? They're in, and here comes Vader and the Stormtrooper. Ooh, it's close. Hey, R2!
What? Who is that? Uh-oh.
There's Vader! We need to stop him!
No, wait! He's part of the competition! Oh, we're too late! They're joining in the race!
Whoa, what happened there? Well, Vader's gone to Flo's cafe. Stormtrooper's down, as well as the rebel pilot. Oh, and so is Ultron. So that means the Flash wins. Well done. Hi, I'm Dave, and thanks for watching my video. Please check out these other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.